Welcome back to the Enfield 8000. Whereas today's job is to change the outer seals inside the hubs here. Been here before, but I've now got new seals to go in. First job, get the wheels off and get the car in the air. Next, I've got to remove the brake line and the handbrake attachment on both sides, and then we'll get the drum off and start doing the next bit. To reduce the amount of brake fluid, I always put a little polythene sheet underneath the cap of the brake reservoir and screw it tight so that the air can't let the fluid here drip out, particularly as I run silicone fluid, which is a little more expensive. Brake drums come off with a screw, which, whilst it needs to be reasonably tight, is quite easy to undo. And once that screws out, the drum should come off relatively easily. With the brake drum off, you can see there's a little bit of glistening moisture right at the centre here, which is why we're replacing the seals. That should not really be there. The rest of the drum's quite dry, so that's no problem, with just a little bit of brake dust in the drum itself, which is easily removed with a clean. Now the drums and the brake shoes are off, we need to release the back plate retaining screws. I've already undone the brake pipe at the back, and then the whole thing can come off. The shaft will then just pull out. It's been out before, so it's reasonably clean. The seal we need to replace. The new seal can just be pushed in. Should really use a proper socket, but I can just tap this one in. It's quite a good fit. Put the shoes back on, and then the drum. And the drum retaining screw needs tightening up so that the drum doesn't come off. Finally, the clevis pin with the split trim through the bottom needs to go in to hold the handbrake.